Eid morning began with a cool breeze and soft sunlight, filling the home with gentle excitement. Wearing their new clothes, the children first went to meet their grandparents, kissed their hands,
You look
and
wonderful,
received
dear.
warm
Thank you.
blessings.
I'm ready.
Then they
Grandma,
happily
Grandpa?
showed their
Listen,
outfits to
Joan,
their
be
mother,
happy.
while their father prepared to take them to the Eid prayer ground. The men and children went to offer Eid prayer, and the women prayed peacefully at home. After the prayer, everyone hugged each other and said Eid Mubarak, and some visited the graves of their loved ones, placing flowers and making prayers. On their way back, the children bought toys and played joyfully. At home, the family gathered to
This
enjoy
looks
delicious
awesome.
sheer korma,
Here you go,
spreading
son.
laughter
It's
and
nice and hot.
happiness everywhere.
Wow, thank
It
you.
was a
Of
day
course,
full of
sweetie.
love, prayers, and beautiful traditions.